Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the LG 27GS75Q-B 27-inch Ultragear QHD Gaming Monitor, a display built to deliver speed, clarity, and competitive performance. This monitor features a 2560 x 1440 QHD resolution on an IPS panel, giving you sharp detail and vibrant color with wide viewing angles. With strong sRGB coverage and HDR10 support, games look rich and immersive, whether you're exploring open-world titles or playing story-driven adventures. When it comes to performance, it offers an overclockable refresh rate up to 200 Hz along with a fast 1 millisecond response time. That means smoother motion, reduced blur, and better responsiveness in fast-paced shooters and racing games. NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility and AMD FreeSync support help minimize screen tearing and stutter for a cleaner, more fluid experience. The design is sleek and modern with a 3-sided virtually borderless frame, and the adjustable stand allows you to fine-tune height, tilt, and pivot for comfort during long sessions. Extra gaming tools like Dynamic Action Sync and crosshair overlays add a competitive edge. HDR performance isn't as intense as premium HDR displays, but overall, this monitor delivers excellent value for serious gamers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.